Welcome to WCrypto.
Don't miss today's video. It's all about Bitcoin's new all-time highs and even a possible sneak peek into institutional moves. Watch this to the end to stay ahead of the game. Bitcoin hit fresh all-time highs over the weekend, reaching $81,000. Now what's surprising here is that this rally unfolded on a weekend, which usually has lower trading volume than weekdays. On average, we're talking around 21,500 Bitcoin traded over the weekend compared to weekdays, where we typically see 31 to 34,000. So it's worth considering if someone might be front-running some big moves expected for Monday. And here's where things get interesting. Rumors on Twitter suggested that financial advisors were contacting clients last Friday about a potential allocation of 1% into the iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, unless clients opted out. They were set to make the trades on Monday at 11 a.m., with clients needing to reply by 9 a.m. if they wanted to decline. This could mean that the price spike we're seeing was anticipated by some sharp traders over the weekend, potentially buying in before the official allocations. Then there's something I noticed in Friday's move from 69,300 to 76,400. It was backed by a strong positive volume of 66,900 Bitcoin. However, today's breakout from 76,500 to 80,000 only needed 17,000 Bitcoin in positive volume. In simple terms, it's taking less buying power to push the price up, which might hint at fewer sellers or at buyers willing to enter at higher levels, requiring less volume for a major price shift. For my own trades, I'm making some adjustments by shifting to shorter timeframes, from 1-hour charts down to 15-minute intervals. It's a higher risk approach, but it opens up more frequent opportunities. While it doesn't quite hit the 95% win rate of the longer timeframes, it still achieves about 80% profitable trades. And here's where Sharpe and Sortino ratios are key. In simple terms, the Sharpe ratio tells us how much return we're getting per unit of risk. It's like making sure a high-flying plane is steady. A higher Sharpe ratio means a smoother experience. The Sortino ratio, on the other hand, focuses solely on the downside risk, kind of like ensuring a safety net is in place. These are essential metrics for assessing the quality of a trading strategy beyond just raw returns. It's surprising how many strategy services overlook these key metrics and push trading plans without understanding risk-adjusted returns. While this might be amusing to some, it's risky for those new to trading who can get pulled into these setups without knowing the essentials of a reliable trading strategy. If you want to keep up with my strategies and see more insights, make sure to join our community Discord. I post all my trades, strategy updates, and in-depth analysis there. It's a great way to stay connected with other serious traders. The link is pinned in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel, and you won't miss a single update on Bitcoin's wild ride. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.